Welcome. My name is Brian and let's run the math. Thank you all for joining me in my first of what will be many videos. This video is more of an introduction to me and an example of what I will be teaching. I am an undergraduate at the University of Queensland in Australia and plan to teach mathematics to senior high school students. If you are interested in supporting me, please check out my Patreon page with the link in the comment sections below. What we'll be doing today as an introduction is to show the power of mathematics and how it can be applied to everyday life. In future episodes, I will be spending more time explaining each step, but hopefully after you finish watching a few videos, you can come back and understand the mathematics involved and even be able to recreate what I have done here. Throughout the videos, we will be dealing with the metric system due to its simplicity for mathematical problems. However, there will be a lesson on conversions at a later date. Weight management is a huge field of study just in its own right, dealing with the complicated interactions between your body, hormones, vitamins, minerals, and organs. In mathematics, though, we simplify things into models that allows us to study and understand a complex system using simple analogies. Breaking down the body's complex systems, we can model it as a simple equation. The energy your body gains or loses each day is equal to the energy you've eaten minus the energy you've burned minus your basal metabolic rate. So what is your basal metabolic rate? Well, your basal metabolic rate is the amount of energy your body burns at rest and is based on your height, weight, gender, and age. Now, our goal today is to calculate the maximum energy intake for a 130 kilogram man who is 160 centimeters tall, wants to lose 30 kilograms without the need of strenuous exercise. So, first thing we do about in any mathematical equation is write down the information we know. So, we know that the weight of our subject is 130 kilograms. We also know that the height is 167 centimeters. The gender is male. We will put the age at 36. And the target weight loss is 30 kilograms. Now, the first thing we need to do is a conversion. Our formula deals with kilojoules, but our weight loss goal is in kilograms. Fat contains 37.7 kilojoules per gram. So a person trying to lose 30 kilograms needs to be able to have a net loss 1,131,000 kilojoules. Now, this is equivalent to 314 kilowatt hours and is enough energy to run an average American home for 10 days. Next, we can find the BMR for our test subject. Now, because the amount of energy a body uses at rest goes down as the weight drops, we'll use the BMR at the halfway point of the weight loss at 115 kilograms. And we're going to use the following site to calculate this. Using that site, we find that the BMR is actually 9,372 kilojoules. For those of you who are more used to dealing with calories, this is actually equivalent to 2,240 calories. So now we have all our known values, and some values we've converted and calculated. Now, if our goal is to burn 1,131,000 kilojoules, and we burn 9,372 kilojoules a day, we can see that if we ate absolutely nothing, it would take our body almost 121 days to lose the 30 kilograms. So, in this model, We could leave it at this and say that it will take 121 days for our sample man to lose 30 kilograms. But that would not be safe for anyone to do. We can apply this model to a more realistic goal. In this case, spreading it over a year would result in an average weight loss of about 0.6 kilograms per week, or 1.3 pounds, which many resources agree is a reasonable weight loss goal. So, bringing back our original equation from before, and now if we take our total weight loss in kilojoules, which is the 1,131,000 target, and divide by 365, we can now say that our kilojoules gained per day is about negative 3,099 kilojoules. Now, it is negative because we're wanting to lose this amount. Because we're not wanting to do as much exercise, the kilojoules burned per day is 0, and as calculated earlier, our BMR is 9,372. So our formula can become this. At this point in time, we simply have to add 9,372 to each side of the equation to get the amount of food that our person needs to eat per day to lose 30 kilograms in 1 year is equivalent to 6,273 kilojoules, which is around 1,500 calories. And now, this is assuming that the person does no exercise. This is just based off the base metabolic rate of the person. If the person does any extra exercise, it will speed up the process of weight loss, or might counteract any extra calories consumed. As you can see, the exact numbers themselves will be different person to person, but the formula and method does not. This is the power of mathematics. This power is what I want to bring to you. Thank you for your support.